guys, what's up? All right, so I'm at the store right now and I figured that I would make a mini Christmas tree for baby Grow. I know she's not here or anything like that, but I figured, you know, to take pictures and things, we would make a tree. So I'm picking up decorations and let's put it together and see how it turns out. Okay, so for the tree, this is the tree that I got. This mini one right here. You know what? I need to check to make sure everything is in this box, including this little feet, because it's not tiny, before I get home. I guess this is it. Just to show you guys how tall the tree is. Goes up to right. All right, so updates because I obviously failed math class. This tree is obviously way shorter. So it's actually this one. It's not this one that I just opened. It's actually this one. And it made more sense. Not this one, because this one, you can't even see the other one. So it obviously has to be this one. My bad. Good thing we figured that out before I walked out the store. Like I said, I failed math class today. Okay, so I'm back now. It's like 12:40 in the morning. I went to dinner and back, but I'm not tired. I'm too excited. So we're gonna put up a Christmas tree. And of course, for a little background music, not very Christmassy, but one of my favorite albums, Massacre 438. Of course, 'tis the season. So we gotta put on this for the holiday spirit. So let's put the Christmas tree together. So here's the tree. I fluffed it out as best as I can. Something down on me. Glitter is everywhere. You put on first. Do you put on the lights first? Okay, Google, what do you put on a Christmas tree first when you're decorating?
They say, start with the lights first. It's more difficult to do this after you've added decorations like bottles and garlands.
Okay, Google.
Hello there.
What do you put on a Christmas tree after the lights?
Sorry, I don't know how that's done.
I'm gonna guess you put on the bigger decorations first, and then the tinier ones could fill in the holes when you put on the bigger ones, right? Like when do you put on the ribbon? The ribbon go on last? Okay, Google, when do you put on the ribbon on the Christmas tree?
Sorry, I don't know how that's done.
Based on my educated guess, you put the ribbon on next. So you put the decorations that's gonna stuck the ribbon to the tree. I don't know if that makes sense, but let's try it. I don't know. I don't think the ribbon looks very... It's supposed to like flow. See like Rapunzel when she let down her hair, Rapunzel hair just flows. I feel like the ribbon is not ribboning. Putting the strings on these little balls is raising my blood pressure. Woo! It's about to be 2 a.m. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good so far. It is now 2:45 a.m. What do you guys think? Looking good or not? Ideally, I would really like a crown, but they didn't have any, so we'll do a little star. Oh! 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 Come on, in the name of Jesus. Ah! clearly we need a little adjustment here. Let's try that. How's that look? Doesn't look bad, right? There it is, ladies and gentlemen, my tree. It's not complete until I plug it in. So let's see how it lights up.